This is a used 2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer, an MP3 player, privacy glass, child restraint seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, child safety locks. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Town & Country Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at West 7600 US Highway 2, Kinnesec, Michigan 59876.